Hello techies, we are in lab 5.13.5 and we're going to restrict Telnet and SSH access. So you are in the process of configuring a new router. The router interfaces connect to the following network. So we have the table chart for that. So only Telnet and SSH access from these three networks should be allowed. So in this lab, your task is to use the access list command to create a standard numbered access list using number 5. Add the permit statement for each network to the access list and use the access class command to apply the access list to VTY lines 0-4 and use the indirection to filter. So let's just start up lab. So in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. All right, so we are inside the lab, so let's start up immediately. We are going to click on this and we are going to type enable, press enter, and then config term, press enter, and then access dash list space 5 permit press 192.168.1.0 space 0.0.0.255. Press enter. So we just copy and paste here. There's an error here, so this is supposed to be 2. All right, so we copy and paste also, and then we are going to change this to 3. Change this to 3. All right, so we just copy and paste instead of typing out everything one by one. So we press enter when you're done, and type in line VTY04, enter, and type in access dash class 5 in, enter. Enter. Then you're going to type in, okay, so copy space run space start, then press enter, then continue to press enter till you see OK and submit tab. Okay, so we see OK, then we'll go ahead and submit tab. Alright, so if you find this video to be helpful in any way, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, you can comment it below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.